everybody, this is Jesse from NAPCO Tech Support. And in this video, we're going to go over how to add an NA1 or NA2 panel to MVP using the MVP Easy app. The NA1 and NA2 panels work exclusively with the MVP platform. The NA1 is a single door panel with an optional outreader, and the NA2 panel is able to control two doors independently. To start, first, we're going to need to make sure that we have the customer account created in NAPCO ComNet. We have other videos explaining how to make a new account and add doors to an existing account. Then you're going to download and log into the MVP Easy app using your dealer credentials, account number, username, and password. You're going to select the account out of your account list, then click on Hardware, and we're going to click on the plus sign to add new. At this point, we can click Scan UR code or add manually. All of the NA panels come with a scannable barcode that we can scan that will automatically bring the MAC address and panel type into the app. Now that has been scanned, we can rename the panel, give it a unique name at its location, or however we want to identify it. And then once that's all set, we can click Add Device, and it will automatically be created. Next, we're going to click on the menu icon. It's going to enable the first reader. We can give this reader a unique name of the door it's going to be controlling. You can set it to work with a card or PIN only, depending on what credentials you're going to be using, and click on Update. Next, if we're using the second door, we can enable that as well and give it a unique name of the door it's going to be controlling. Same process, we can set the credentials we're going to be using and hit Update. Next, we're going to go back to Devices, click on the menu button again, and click on Data Download. This will send a full data download to the panel. Once the download is complete, we can click on Devices again, and we'll see that the panel is now online. Next, I'm going to show you how to add a simple credential, a card, and a PIN code, depending on what you're using. We would go to Credentials, type in the name, first name and last name are required. This is where we can type in the card number, and then click Save. Next, we're going to go over how to add a PIN code. If we were using a card reader that also had a keypad, we can type in the PIN number that we're going to be using. Also, same with the card, all credentials automatically get set to the All Access group. You can check that by clicking on the people icon. If we had different access groups, we can assign it to that. We will have other videos explaining that. Next, we can show swiping the badge. You can go to Reports. And then we can see that we had a valid keypad on a PIN code and a valid badge. Now, just to review, we went over how to add a NAPCO Access NA1 or NA2 panel to MVP Easy using the MVP Easy app and adding a simple card or PIN credential. As always, for more information, you can visit us on the web at tech.napcosecurity.com. Thank you all for watching.